Hello, beautiful ladies. Attention is not what you beg for from a man. Attention is what you earn. Attention is what you get. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 secrets on how to attract any man. 5 secrets on how to attract any man as a lady. And if it is your first time on this channel, I want you to subscribe and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you important tips that will turn your life around. Do well to subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment at the end of the video, and share with your friends. Number one on my list here is stop chasing. You see, as a lady, you need to understand that you are a queen. You understand? Queen don't chase, queen attracts. How do you attract? You attract by your personality traits. You attract by your value. You attract by whom you become. You attract by intentionality. You don't attract by hoping, you attract by intentionality. So what is intentionality? You need to understand that queen status that you are. You need to understand that you don't need to demand attention from anyone. You earn that attention by whom you become. So how do you become that queen? You are a carrier of purpose. You are a carrier of value. You don't communicate your value, you show them. You make them see reasons they can't, as in you make them see reasons that if they lose you, they lose value. If they lose you, they lose treasure. If they lose you, they lose somebody they can't replace. They can replace shape, they can replace color, they can replace anything. But one thing that is irreplaceable for you as a queen is your mentality. One thing they can't replace from you is your mindset. One thing they can't replace from you is your value you bring to the table. You can never, I said it in my previous video before, you can never replace a euro, currency. Now you can't replace pounds with naira. You can't replace dollar with what's it called? What's this Ghana cedis? I guess it Ghana cedi. Yes, Ghana cedis. You can't replace. So there are some currencies you can't replace. This is not about beauty. This is not about shape. This is about curves. Yes, those your low currency has beauty. They have curve, but you can't replace them with higher currency. We are not talking of beauty now. We are talking of value. So that is what you must attract. That is what you must have, so that any man will keep chasing you. Number two is radiate peace, not pressure. As a lady, you need to know that if you are sending this pressure signal, men can perceive it from distance and run away. Yes, you need to radiate peace. When you speak with peace. Speak with the mindset of, let this my words bring peace to this man's ear. As he's hearing it, he's hearing peace, not pressure. Don't say words that can put him in pressure in any ways. Don't say things that can put him in pressure by any means. I understand that ladies are wired with emotions. When their emotion is up, they want to talk, they want to say things. But because of the fact that my point one is I'll stop chasing. And how do you stop chasing? By becoming a queen. So by the time you have this mindset that you are a queen don't do things under pressure. Queen speak with peace. Queen speak with things that will bring peace to his man's life. Don't put up things. There is a way you can do it without knowing. There's a way you put somebody under pressure without knowing. Okay, just by this simple example, imagine this, telling your man that, can you imagine, I've been telling you to do this, and you are telling me that you don't have money or you have not done it. Imagine your friend who is not even up to your standard or who is not even earning what you are earning has done this, has done that, has done this. By that words, to you, you are communicating, but to him, you are putting pressure. That kind of word is not bringing peace to him. So, and also, unhealthy comparison is one thing that reduces your value as a lady. So, don't you ever say something that puts him under pressure, but rather say things that will bring him peace. Because men will chase peace over pressure. Men will chase peace over pressure. Men will chase queen. Men will chase peace. Queen was my number one point. Queen status, not just queen name. No, queen status, queen quality. Then men will also chase peace over pressure. Number three on my list is elevate your standards silently. As a lady, you need to keep elevating your standards silently, not loudly. I've have a couple of ladies in my cycle, and once they are embarking on a particular purpose, you see it on their status, you see it on their, in fact, you just see it all around. No, don't elevate your standard proudly. Mm-mm. Don't elevate your standard publicly. You elevate your standard silently. There's a quote, or that's like a slang, that says that shock them with your results. You don't understand? You shock them with your results. So by the time they are trying to like, is it not this babe? We don't see her finish now. We don't see everything wey she go fit do. That's in pidgin. We have seen all she can do. We have seen her all and all. By the time they are having that kind of mindset that they have actually seen you finish, no, you come up again with another goal. You come up again with another dreams you have achieved. You come up again with another dimension. You keep increasing your standard silently. By that, you are becoming a chase to any man that comes your way. Number four is prioritize growth. Prioritize growth. You see, as a lady, let me tell you this. As important as your breath, your breath you are taking in, if anything blocks your breath, automatically you are dying. As important as your breath is, prioritize your personal growth like that. Yes, don't sleep on it. Don't, how will I say it? Don't say that this is something you are working towards. No, prioritize it. That was why I used the example like your breath. Your breath is so important that each minute without your breath, something is wrong. Prioritize your personal growth like that. Be working on something constantly. In the next 6 months, don't let us see this your version. In the next 6 months, don't let us see this your status. In the next 3 months, 6 months is fine. In the next 3 months, don't let us see this your status. Keep on elevating your standard, and this should be done silently, because if it is proud, they will predict your personality, but if it is silent, you become unpredictable, and unpredictable is a very, very important quality you need to have as a lady, and this is also attractive trait men long for, but they will never say it. Then number 5 on my list is speak with intention, not with emotion. All right, I think I'm going to dwell on this very well, because most times the society has actually made us to believe that ladies they are more wired with emotion, which seems to be true, but I've done a personal research and I believe that everybody can be intentional. Most ladies can be intentional. Stop speaking with emotions. You understand? Speak with intention. Speak with the fact that you need to speak, not with the fact that somebody triggered your emotion. Because if you keep speaking with emotions all the time, it's just like you're having a car and you are giving that car key to somebody else. And bet me, anybody can just go in to just start that key. And that car now is you. Once they start it, you started, you just flare up. And they predict your emotion and they say, hey, we said it, she's going to flare up. And you just started talking. You just started shouting. You just started misbehaving. And at the end of the day, you end up saying things like, this is who I am. This is my personality. I don't need to hide it. Excuse me, you don't need to hide what? Do you walk naked? No, you don't. There are some things you need to keep. Not because you want to keep them, but because you are doing it for your personality. You speak with intention. You speak with facts. You speak with wisdom. Not because you are angry, you just need to just burst, just fill up everywhere. Everybody's hiding themselves because you are speaking and you are proud of it and you're not doing anything about it. No. Speak with intention. Speak with the fact that you need to speak. You need to address this. Not because your emotion is high. So I need to rephrase my point again. My number one point is stop chasing. As a lady, please do all you can to stop chasing. Even though you feel desperate, even though the desperation is there is a way you can chase and you are not chasing. Is becoming a queen. Queen don't beg for attention. They attract attention by whom they become. Second is second is radiate peace. Radiate peace, not pressure. Don't speak pressure. Don't speak with pressure. Don't deal with pressure with any man. Speak with peace. Because peace is one thing men chase over anything. Number three is elevate your standards silently. Elevate your standards silently. Keep becoming a better version of yourself constantly, all the time, not loudly. Not that when you are reading a course, we know online now, or we can just go to your status and know what's up with you. No. Then fourth is prioritize growth. As important as your breath, I said it, as important as your breath. That should be how you prioritize your growth. Then number five is speak with intention, not with emotions. If you do all this, you are going to become the lady that men chase. You are going to become the lady that men chase. You are going to become that dream lady that you desire yourself. And thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, once again, feel free, subscribe, be a part of the family, drop a comment on the comment section, let me know how you feel. And I see you in my next video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching.